Hello everyone, this is your Bandhini Sharma. Welcome back to my channel BMB Tutorial. So in last session we have discussed first two questions of exercise 9.2, right? And in today's session we are going to discuss more question after this, question number 3 and question number 4 of exercise 9.2. Okay, so let's start today's session. So question number 3 is find the product, and you have given here two rational numbers in 6 parts, okay, of which you have to do multiplication. Okay, so you have to find out here product of those rational numbers. Okay, so let's see the first part, 9 upon 2 into minus 7 upon 4. Okay, यहाँ पर फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर आपका 9 upon 2 है, दैट इज अ पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर, एंड सेकेंड रैशनल नंबर इज अ नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर माइनस 7 upon 4. ओके, तो इन दो रैशनल नंबर्स का आपको क्या करना है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सो सी, मल्टीप्लिकेशन के केस में हम क्या करते हैं, न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एंड डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से. सो सी, 9 इंटू माइनस 7 अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर इंटू डिनोमिनेटर मीन्स 2 इंटू 4. ओके, सो द रिजल्ट विल बी 9 इंटू माइनस 7, 9 7 जा 63. सो माइनस 63 अपॉन 2 4 जा 8. Okay, now you can see this is an improper rational number. Why? Because 63 is greater than 8, means numerator is greater than, so we will change it in mixed rational number. So minus 7 and 7 upon 8 is the answer of this product. Okay, now see the second part, 3 upon 10 into minus 9. So you can see first one is a positive rational number and second one is an integer. Okay, so we can make this integer as in the form of rational number. So 3 upon 10 into minus 9 upon 1. Okay, किसी भी integer को हम rational number बना सकते हैं by taking its denominator as 1. Okay, so see, we are multiplying here, so we will multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 3 into minus 9 upon 10 into 1. Okay, so 3 into minus 9, 3 9s are 27, and there is a negative integer, so the answer will also get a negative sign, upon 10 into 1 is 10. Okay, so again the answer is an improper. So 27 upon 10, so if we change it in mixed, so we will get in denominator 10, 2s are 20, so 2 will be whole and 7 is remainder. So 10 2s are 20 plus 7, 27 upon 10. So the final answer is minus 2 and 7 by 10 of this product. Okay, now see the third part. First is negative, second is positive. So we will multiply here numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So minus 6 into 9 upon 5 into 11. So minus 6 into 9 6 जा 54. दोनों में से एक नेगेटिव है, इसलिए आंसर नेगेटिव में आएगा. 11 5 जा 55. Okay, so the answer of this product will be minus 54 upon 55. Now see the fourth part, 3 upon 7 into minus 2 upon 5. First is positive, second is negative rational number. Okay, so we have to do here multiplication. So in the case of rational number, we multiply numerator to numerator, means 3 into minus 2 upon denominator to denominator, means 7 into 5. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 is negative. In between these two there is one negative, so the answer will hold negative sign, and 7 5s are 35. Okay, so the final answer of this product will be minus 6 upon 35. Now see the fifth part, 3 upon 11 and into 2 upon 5. Both are positive rational number, so the answer will also be positive. So 3 into 2 and 11 into 5. So 3 2s are 6 and 11 5s are 55. So answer will be 6 upon 55 of this product. Now see the last part of this question, 3 upon minus 5 into minus 5 upon 3. See here, इस रैशनल नंबर के न्यूमरेटर में 3 है और इस रैशनल नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर में 3 है. सो दिस 3 विल बी कैंसल आउट विद दिस 3. ओके, सिमिलरली in this numerator -5 and there is -5 in denominator also, so -5 will be cancel out this -5. जब भी हम दो रैशनल नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो किसी के न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में से किसी का भी डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर अगर कॉमन है तो वो कैंसिल हो सकता है. इसी तरीके से यहाँ पर 3 फर्स्ट के न्यूमरेटर में और 3 सेकेंड के डिनोमिनेटर में, सो न्यूमरेटर विल बी कैंसल आउट विद दिस डिनोमिनेटर. सो सी 3 upon -5 into -5 upon 3. So this 3 will be cancel out with this 3 and this -5 will be cancel out with this -5. Okay, so the answer of this will be 1 into 1. So result will be 1. Okay, so this way you can do, and also by multiplying first then you can cancel the common part. Okay, so 3 into -5, 3 into -5 upon -5 into 3. So 3 into -5 is -15 and -5 into 3 is -15. So -15 upon -15 is 1. तो दोनों ही तरीके से अगर आप करते हैं आपका आंसर सेम आएगा. पहले क्या है, हम अगर कॉमन पार्ट को रिमूव कर देते हैं, रिमेनिंग जो बचता है वो आपका आंसर हो जाता है. या फिर हम ऐसा करना चाहें, पहले न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके, तो जो भी आंसर आ रहा है उसमें अगर कुछ कॉमन है उसको कैंसिल करके जो भी हमारा आंसर आएगा वो क्या है, दोनों का सेम ही रहेगा. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ गिवन डिविजन्स. ओके, सो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको डिफरेंट डिविजन्स दे रखे हैं 7 पार्ट्स में और उनका आपको आंसर फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, तो देखिए फर्स्ट पार्ट, -4 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 upon 3. सो एज यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट नंबर इज इंटीजर एंड दिस नंबर हैज़ बीन डिवाइडेड बाई अ रैशनल नंबर, पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर. ओके, सो व्हाट वी डू इन डिवीजन, द फर्स्ट number we write as it is -4 and we can change this division into multiplication by taking reciprocal of the second rational number. Okay, so the reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. ओके, 2 upon 3 का अगर हम रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं, रेसिप्रोकल का मतलब न्यूमिनेटर आपका डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा और डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमिनेटर. तो देखिए 2 पहले न्यूमिनेटर था तो अभी डिनोमिनेटर हो गया, 3 डिनोमिनेटर था तो न्यूमिनेटर हो गया. सो 3 upon 2 इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 2 upon 3. ओके, सो सी -4 इंटू 3 upon 2, -4 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, -4 upon 1 इंटू 3 upon 2. This is the nothing but the multiplication. So -4 into 3 is -12 upon 1 into 2 is 2. -12 upon 2. 12 is the multiple of 2, 6 times. So the answer will be -6. Okay. Now see the second part. -3 upon 5, a negative rational number divided by 2. That is a integer. See. -3 upon 5, if we change this division into multiplication, so we have to take the reciprocal of second number. So second number is here 2, so reciprocal of 2 will be 1 upon 2. 2 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा, 2 को आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, अगर 2 को p upon q फॉर्म में लिखना है तो 2 upon 1. तो इसका अगर रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स न्यूमिनेटर 1 हो जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर 2 हो जाएगा. सो 1/2 इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 2. सो -3 into 1 upon 5 into 2. So -3 into 1 is -3 and 5 2 is 10. So our answer will be -3 upon 10. Now see the third part, -4 upon 5 divided by -3. So the first number we will write as it is and this division we can change in multiplication by taking the reciprocal of -3. So -3 का reciprocal क्या होगा, 1 upon -3. क्योंकि यहाँ -3 है, -3 को हम क्या -3 upon 1 लिख सकते हैं. रेसिप्रोकल करना है तो न्यूमिनेटर क्या हो जाएगा 1 और डिनोमिनेटर आपका -3 हो जाएगा. सो वी कैन राइट द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ -3 एज 1 अपॉन -3. ओके, सो -4 into 1 is -4 and 5 into -3 is -15. So numerator and denominator both are negative, so the answer will be positive 4 upon 15. Okay, minus sign will be cancelled out with this minus sign, so only the left part is 4 upon 50. Now see the fourth part. Minus 1 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 4. Again we can change this division in multiplication by taking the reciprocal of second number. So minus 1 upon 8 will be as it is, and multiplication sign. Then reciprocal of 3 upon 4 will be 4 upon 3. Okay, so we are multiplying here. So the numerator, so minus 1 into 4 upon 8 into 3. So minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 upon 8 3s are 24. Minus 4 upon 24. So as you can see, 4 is common in between numerator and denominator. So we cancel out this 4. So 4 1s are means -1 and 4 6s are 24. So the final answer will be -1 upon 6. Okay. Now see the fifth part. -2 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 7. Same. We have to change the division in multiplication. So -2 upon 13 we will write as it is, then multiplication sign, and next the reciprocal of second rational number, that is 1 upon 7. So the reciprocal of 1 upon 7 will be 7 upon 1. Okay. So now multiply the numerator parts. So -2 into 7 upon 13 into 1. So the answer will be -2 into 7 is -14. एक नेगेटिव है, दूसरा पॉजिटिव है, तो आंसर क्या होगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन का? नेगेटिव ही होगा. सो 2 7 जा 14 -14 एंड 13 1 जा 13. सो हियर न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर दैन डिनोमिनेटर, सो वी कैन चेंज इट इन मिक्स्ड फॉर्म. सो -1 and 1 by 13. 13 1 ja 13 plus 1 14 upon 13. Okay. So the final answer will be -1 and 1 by 13. Now see the sixth part. Here -7 upon 12 divided by -2 upon 13. Both are the negative rational numbers, and if we are dividing here, so -7 upon 12 will be right as it is, and this division we can change in multiplication by taking the reciprocal of -2 upon 30. So reciprocal of -2 upon 13 will be 13 upon -2. Okay. So -7 into 13 and 12 into -2. So -7 into 13 -91 upon 12 into -2 -24. Okay. So the minus sign of this numerator and denominator will be cancelled out. Only the numerical part will be left out. So 91 upon 24. Okay. Numerator is greater than denominator, so we can change it in mixed form. So 3 and 19 upon 24. This will be the answer of this product. Okay. Now see the seventh part. 3 upon 13 divided by -4 upon 65. First is positive, second is negative. First rational number we will write as it is. We can change this division into multiplication by taking reciprocal of second rational number, that is -4 upon 65. So reciprocal of -4 upon 65 is 65 upon -4. Okay. Now see, in denominator there is 13 and in numerator of second rational number 65. So 13 and 65 are the multiples of 13. So we can cancel this 13 and 65. Okay. So 13 1 ja 13 and 13 5 ja 65. So the left part is 3 upon 1 and this side 5 upon -4. Okay. So 3 into 5 upon 1 into -4. So the final answer 3 into 5 means 3 5s are 15 upon 1 into -4 is -4. Okay, so here also numerator is greater than denominator. So we will change it 15 upon minus 4. If we multiply this by minus 1, so it will be minus 15 upon 4. Okay, now we can change it in mixed form. So 4 3s are, so 3 will be 4 and this minus sign upon 4 will be the denominator same. So 4 3s are 12 plus 3 means remainder is 3. So minus 3 and 3 by 4 will be the final answer of this division. So that's all about today's session, in which we have discussed question number 3 and question number 4 of exercise 9.2. If you have any query, doubt related to these questions, can ask on comment section, and in my next upcoming session we are going to discuss the next new chapter. Till then, keep watching my channel. Thank you.